the Election Commission has sent across a second notice to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over her comments on central forces. The Election Commission has noted that Mamata is demoralizing central forces by accusing them of intimidation and claims that her emotional appeal to women to attack central forces is extremely unfortunate. EC has sought Mamata's reply by 11 a.m. tomorrow. So they've given her essentially 24 hours. Mamata already received a notice from the Election Commission on seeking votes on communal grounds. That's the allegation she faces after telling Muslim voters not to let their vote be split and to unite. The Election Commission has now issued a notice to Mamata for her comment asking women voters to come together and to target central forces.
অনেক সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্স এসছে সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্সকে তো আমি তো রেসপেক্ট করি কিন্তু আমি ওই কমান্ডারদের রেসপেক্ট করি না যিনি বিজেপির হয়ে গিয়ে এলাকায় মা বোনদের পেটান ভয় দেখান আর গিয়ে বলে ভোট দেনে মাপ যাও একটাও শুনবেন না কিছু বললে চুপচাপ থাকবেন পরের দিন সব লাইন বেঁধে ভোটটা দেবেন একটা ভোটও নষ্ট করবেন না বন্দুক নিয়ে এসছো বুথ দখল করেছো মহিলারা কাঁদতে কাঁদতে ফিরে গেছে ভগবানপুরে এই মায়ের অভিশাপ মনে রেখো তুমি অন্ধকেও ভোট দিতে দাওনি তুমি অনেক মা বোনকে ভোট দিতে দাওনি মহিলাদের টার্গেট করে দয়া করে মাস্কটা পরে যাবেন সেন্ট্রাল পুলিশের এটা কাজ নয় তা সত্ত্বেও বলেছে মাস্ক নেই পরা আপ চালা যাও ভোট নেই মেয়ে দেখে কেউ চলে যাবেন না পুলিশকে ভয় পাওয়ার তো কোনো কারণ নেই
Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us live from Delhi with more details on this. Aishwarya, second notice from the Election Commission that's gone across to Mamata Banerjee. This will spell trouble for the TMC and for Mamata. We understand that the poll panel has sought a reply from her in the next 24 hours.
Yes, when we talk about this notice, Akshita, let me tell you, Mamata Banerjee is once again in the eye of the storm, and this second notice is being sent to her, even as the Election Commission is awaiting a response on the first notice that they had sent. So Mamata Banerjee essentially has got 24 hours to reply on this notice, whereas she has to reply by today evening on the first notice which was sent to her. Now, in the second notice, there have been reports, according to the Election Commission, which they have received from the CEO of West Bengal, in which transcriptions have been handed over to ECI and videos have also been given to them where she is making an appeal against the central forces which have been deployed in the state of West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee will have to furbish her reply in 24 hours, whereas she will have to give the response for the first notice by today evening, Akshita.
All right, and we'll see if Mamata sticks to that deadline. By this evening, she will give a response to the first EC notice. The second one on her comment about women voters targeting central forces. She's expected to give a reply to that by tomorrow, 11 a.m. Aishwarya, thank you for those details.